In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Microsoft Teams account step by step. Whether you're cleaning up your digital life or moving to a different platform, it's important to know how to properly close your account and understand what happens next. Let's walk through the process together. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Microsoft Teams website. This step is important because you need direct access to your account settings. Once the page loads, click Sign In and enter your account details. Make sure you're signing in with the correct Microsoft account, since deleting an account is a permanent action. After signing in, look at the top right corner of the page and click on your profile picture. If you don't have a photo set, you'll see your initials instead. From the menu, click on My Microsoft Account. This will take you out of Microsoft Teams and into your main Microsoft account settings, where you can manage all connected services. At the top of the Microsoft account page, click on Your Info. This section contains your personal details and account management options. Scroll through the page until you find the option called Close Account. Clicking this will start the account deletion process. Before moving forward, take a moment to understand what this means. Closing your Microsoft account will delete access to Microsoft Teams and all other connected services, including Outlook email, OneDrive files, subscriptions, and more. Make sure you've backed up any important data before continuing. Microsoft will then guide you through several confirmation steps to make sure you understand the impact of your decision. Carefully read each message and confirm only if you're sure. Once completed, your account will be scheduled for closure. Microsoft usually provides a short grace period, giving you time to change your mind before the account is permanently deleted. And that's it. You now know how to delete your Microsoft Teams account and what to consider before doing so. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more tutorials.